later.
Oh my God.
You look like me at my first day in the body shop. There's a dent right here. Where? Right?
Oh, you're not doing it right. Blah, blah, blah. No, the paint police are going to grill me for this one.
Shut your mouth, mate.
Mark Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. Alright guys, so I haven't had this car a whole lot on the channel, but this is my salvage MDX. I bought this car like last year, can't remember what date, whatever. I got it through the salvage inspection. It's got an R title, so I can legally drive it on the road. However, right after I got it through the salvage inspection, I actually backed right into a trailer right in the parking lot, literally right after it passed. So yeah, we got this ratchet strap. We got these D-ring anchors, and we got a tree. And we're going to see if we can weld these anchors to the quarter panel, hook it with a ratchet strap. This is a 833-pound ratchet strap. We're going to strap it to the tree, try and pull it out, and see if we can pull this massive dent we have in the back out for 20 bucks.
One hour later.
Alright, we got a little bit of extra artillery just in case we need it. I know you guys love the banana. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Whoop! Keep going. Whoa! Whoa, there we go. Keep going. Oh, shoot. We busted. Yeah, we're coming out. Oh! Oh!
One eternity later.
Now you look like me on my first day. Oh my God. You look like me at my first day in the body shop. There's a dent right here. Where? Right? This is how you fill in dents redneck style. Oh. No fucking body line. It's just gonna be a straight like slanted curve from top. Coat number 3, 3/4 of a gallon going on.
No, we will have a whole gallon in it. Yeah. It's funny because you read the instructions on the can, and it says, oh yeah, don't spread any more than 1/4 inch thick. Okay. We'll see about that.
What do you want me to do with the rest?
A few inches later.
Well guys, ready for primer. 1 gallon of Bondo later, 5 coats of Bondo, 1 Harbor Freight ratchet strap and a couple anchors, and this is what we got. Guys, I really have to give it to my employee on this one. He did a lot of the pulling. All he did was weld the anchors in. He did a lot of the sanding. The first like two or three coats of Bondo, as you guys saw on camera, like I was sanding this side, he was sanding this side. We're just freaking like going at it. Last 2 coats of finish work he finished off. So we wet it down. We pressure washed the whole car with water. We could kind of see the body lines. It is close. We got the SS2790G loaded up. I've got a Dongyang gun off of eBay, random. It's just what I use for primer. We are spraying the 2790G for the first time, unreduced. Pretty excited. It's going to be a pretty thick build. We got a 2.0 tip on this thing, so let's get this thing primered up, and we're going to sand it out tomorrow and get this thing painted and see how she looks. Alright, so we made it to paint day. Know the paint police are going to grill me for this one. Oh, you're not doing it right, blah, blah, blah. Trust and believe me, we know. Guys, it's an 09 salvage Acura MDX. Remember, this is a sharp SUV. For 09, this thing's sharp. But guys, we're just trying to get it on the road. I actually got all my mobile auto body gear in this truck. So, you know, it's just going to be a cheap beater SUV for the road, for my business. Send it down the road, done. So, I got my local paint guy who I use for, like, really, really small paint orders, like pints, half pints. But I got some junk silver. It's off of a Ford. We're going to go ahead, blast a couple coats on this thing, get it ground coated, get it silver. And then we're going to put the correct paint coat on top of that, which is the NH698M Acura billet silver. Yeah, so some painting the gun, guys. We're gonna have some fun today. Alright, man, there you guys have it. My most botched repair of the year. I mean, guys, we literally did everything wrong on this repair. We didn't have, I mean, really for these types of jobs, you need like a professional, like, frame pulling machine. Didn't have that. We didn't pull the metal out enough. We ended up having to use like way too much body filler to fill what we couldn't pull. Way too much primer. I used like, I think like 3 unreduced coats with the SS2790G. But overall, this thing did not come out bad, guys. And look at the color match. Look at the color match.
We sprayed the color blender right in the middle of the door. You can't even tell it. It actually looks. I'll definitely say if you walk up on it, you know, the body, the line right here isn't like crisp. You know, this line is a little blotchy, but you know, standing back 5 feet, even 10 feet, 5 feet, whatever. I mean, this it does not actually look bad. I think my biggest thing about this job was the clear coat. We were laying the fast right here clear, guys. We sprayed it on the coldest day of the week. It was like a negative, I think, 5-degree wind chill. And I think it was like 8 degrees outside when I was spraying this clear coat. You know, it wasn't that much warmer in the shop. And look at this finish. Look at that. No wet sand, no buff. That's off the gun. Now, I did get a nice little run here at the bottom of the door. But we're going to clip that one off. Clip that one off. Just do a little bit of wet sanding and polish and that'll be good, but the rest of the panel, nothing. No issues at all. No runs, no orange peel. Even this blend on the back bumper came out pretty smooth. Blend on the top here. I don't even think I'm gonna polish that. I think that's like, I got a little bit of an overspray line right here where we stopped the plastic and then we stopped the clear like right here. So there's a little bit of an overspray line there. I might just rub that out by hand, but dude, like look, it really don't get much better than that for what we did, you know? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.